What's the meaning of critter? Critter. Critter.
Critter. Critter. Critter is a colloquial term used to refer to a small animal or creature, often one that is considered cute or cuddly. The term can be applied to a wide range of creatures, from domestic pets like cats and dogs to wild animals like raccoons and squirrels. It is often used in a playful or affectionate way, and can be considered a term of endearment for animals that evoke warm feelings in humans. Overall, critter is a light-hearted and informal way to describe a beloved animal companion or a charming creature encountered in the wild.